Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Today is Tuesday, December 30th, 2025, and we're set to provide a comprehensive look at the financial markets. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. The major indexes edged downward today, marking consecutive declines. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,896.45, down by 9.28 points, and the Dow 30 index decreased by 94.89 points, settling at 48,367.5. The Nasdaq Composite Index also experienced a downturn, closing at 23,419.8, losing 55.27 points. In today's market breadth, more decliners than advancers characterized the day. The S&P 500 index witnessed 296 stocks declining, while only 192 advanced. Similarly, the Nasdaq Composite Index saw 2,007 declines against 972 advances. Despite this, both indexes maintain a strong positive trend. Looking at returns, the S&P 500 index shows a year-to-date total return of 17.25%, with an average daily return of 0.07%. Similarly, the Nasdaq Composite Index boasts a strong year-to-date return of 21.27%, supported by a robust positive trend. The energy sector led gains today, climbing 0.75% to close at 690.90. The communication services sector rose 0.32%, closing at 454.21, while utilities edged up 0.2% with a closing of 436.54. Real estate also saw an upward movement, marking 4 days of consecutive gains. Among the sectors, Consumer Cyclical led losses, dropping 0.32% to 1,943.91. The financial services and industrial sectors both declined by 0.27%, while the technology sector experienced a dip of 0.25%. Despite these short-term drops, all maintained strong positive trends. Focusing on global ETFs, Brazil's iShares ETF closed up 1.8% at 31.99. Austria and Chile ETFs set new all-time highs, with Austria at 35.48 and Chile at 40.54. Meanwhile, Italy's ETF closed up 0.79% at 54.59, showing a strong positive trend. Among the ETFs, Brazil's iShares ETF has a year-to-date total return of 42.11%. Austria's ETF has shown an impressive 69.19% return year-to-date, aligned with a very strong positive trend. Similarly, Chile's ETF achieves a 61.9% year-to-date return, marking an all-time high close. In technology stocks, Apple closed at 273.2, down 0.74, marking 3 days of flat performance. Meanwhile, Alphabet and Amazon continue to show strong upward trends, closing at 314.68 and 232.53 respectively. Meta Platforms rose by 7.32, finishing at 666.1. Although navigating a mixed trend, Nvidia fell to 187.54, breaking downward after 3 days of calm.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 88,159.90, up by 1,049.12. Despite this gain, it's experiencing a very strong negative trend. Ethereum is also up at 2,959.77, but is under a strong negative trend with sideways movement for 3 days. BNB is priced at 860.14, increasing by 8.38 amidst a backdrop of a strong negative trend. Solana has shown signs of staying flat, priced at 123.72, continuing its very strong downward trend. Dogecoin is slightly down at 0.1226, having decreased for 3 consecutive days, showcasing a very strong negative trend and sideways price movement for 6 days. In the current crypto landscape, Bitcoin is up at 88,159.90, showing a minor weekly return of 0.32%, despite a larger monthly and yearly loss. Ethereum shows a weekly gain of 0.36%, though its yearly return is down over 11.13%. BNB stands out with a yearly return just over 22.7%, offering a glance of positivity. However, Solana and Dogecoin weigh down sentiment, sharply plummeting year-to-date at 34.47% and 61.14%, respectively, indicating substantial declines.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is showing diverse movements against key currencies. Against the euro, it's currently at 0.8511, up 0.0019, breaking upwards after 3 days of sidestepping. Versus the British pound, it's at 0.7424, up 0.0024, also breaking its 3-day drift. A notably strong trend against the Japanese yen positions it at 156.4350, up 0.4040, despite a 6-day plateau. Meanwhile, against the Swiss franc, it's at 0.7920, gaining 0.0030, moving upward from another 3-day flat stretch. In contrast, the dollar weakens to 1.4933, slipping a fraction against the Australian dollar, maintaining a strong downtrend.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts, Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.